learn about today. I can feel the factory even when I'm not there. It's like it knows I'm coming back, like it's been waiting for this. The dolls, those eyes, they linger in my mind. Watching, always watching. I don't know why, but it feels like they're waiting for me too. I've thought about to not going back, but deep down I know I have no choice. Something's waiting for me inside, and I can't avoid it, Nolly. Come on, you can avoid it. Just resign man. Come on. Sabihin mo, Sir, bounce na ako, sir. Ganun lang. Hindi, ba't ganito na to? Ba't kulado na to? Resign na ako, boss. Ayoko na nito. Fucking hell. Shit, mag-resign ka na, boss. Mag-resign na ako, boss. Anong fix us? Wala na. Can you fix me? Come on. Ikaw mo start my shift. Ganito nangyayari sa factory. Ano yan? What's behind you? Bahala ka dyan. Behind yung mukha nyo. Workshop. Sinana pa dito. No way, man. Next ka na. Bakit pala yan? Wala rin director. Hindi. Sige pa ba to? Sige pa ba to? Won't budge. Repair. Oh my god. Hindi. Bala kayo dyan. Approve na yan. Shit. Approve this shit. Next. Wala kasi what the fuck? Oh, ito. Oh, ano? Wala ka. Saka yung disposal. Approve. Oh, this shit. Approve na agad. Saka yung disposal, oh. Saka pa rin. Oh my god. Ba't ko pinapas yun? Oh my god. Hey! Ayoko dyan! Ikaw na lang dyan. My fuck! Diyan ka. Stop ka. No. Hell no, man. Oh my god. Okay, saan niya ako dinalaawa na lang? Anyway, ano to? Lang. Okay. Control to crouch. Bakit ka kasi kumakausap naman, Ika? Ganito yung nangyayari, kumakausap naman. Oh shit! Clutch. Ah! Hindi. Okay. Okay, ganun pa rin. Oh my god. Oh shit. Natitingin man tayo doon. Okay. Then, kaplow! Dito sa gitna. Clutch. Easy. Oh, come on. Gitna. Okay, easy. Okay, gitna ulit. Okay, easy. Next. Oh, dali. Oh, hell no. Susunogin ko sa gili ko, hindi. Oh, ayun, may ilaw doon. Ano to? Dun. Turn off. Dito, valve. Dito. Dun. Oh. Come on. Shit. Disposal. Wee! Oh, hell naman. So, ano to?
I'm really sorry.
Anong sogi? Tagaydor, sabi ko na eh.
He controls me through that. I hope you understand. I just want to be human again.
Oh, hell no, man. So, ako yung kapalit. Babay, bahala ka dyan. Ano to? Gogi. Ano yan? Gagi. Kinukulong yung mga manika. Eh, no way, mga sanggol to. Bro, kasya ka. Bahala ka dyan, gagi. Gumagalaw. Nah, bro, I can't. Bahala ka dyan. Kasi pag may mga nagiginig akong footsteps. Oh, hell naman. Kulungan to ng mga ano. On. Bahala ka dyan. You should be here. Yes, I shouldn't be here. Puta, pero ang laki na sahod. Diyos ko naman. Ah. Bahala ka dyan. I'll help you. Bahala ka dyan. Jump! Okay. Ito man na to. Dito na ako eh. Diretso na to. Kasya kayo. Bahala kayo dyan. Eh, fuck it. Kung pwede lang mag-spagit. Bahala kayo dyan. Bunny hop. Bahala kayo dyan. Bunny hop lang ako. Oo talaga. On. Oh shit. Oh shit. Lagi. Dali mo. Couch. Easy. Oh my god. I-clutch mo please. Pumagoon ka. Dali mo. Yan. Ano yan? Shit. Ano to? Hindi. Wag mo sa...
Good, very good.
What the f...
Good employee. You did everything just as I envisioned.
Oh my god, hindi.
From the whole Sweet Cheeks company, thank you for your service.
Anong sa... Hindi. Grabing plot twist yan. Come on. Takas! Help! Help! Hindi. Oh, hell no, man. So, ganito yung POV. Tagaydor.
New guy, you're finally here.
Hindi. Oh my god, I can't move, man. Tagaydor.
Our beautiful dolls are waiting just for you. Let's see if you can avoid the mistakes the previous guy has made.
Hindi. Oh my god. That is a mistake, man. Coming in this factory is a mistake. Okay, ending A. Oh! May different endings, okay.